Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming essentials. Charge the watch, power it on, and unlock your phone. On your phone, turn on Bluetooth, and if the watch requires location, enable that too. Open the watch's pairing mode from Settings or the companion app now. You need the watch visible to devices. Once done, check the phone's Bluetooth scan list for the watch name and tap it. This initiates device discovery and starts the secure exchange, so both sides can authenticate and agree on settings. Once the phone detects the watch, you'll usually see a pairing code. Compare the digits on both screens and confirm to prevent accidental connections. After pairing, the companion app will request permissions, grant notifications, contacts, and health data as needed so features work. If the app prompts to update firmware or install watch face packages, accept those updates. They often fix Bluetooth stability. Also, adjust sync settings like background refresh and notification filters, so the watch behaves the way you expect during everyday use. To finish, test notifications, incoming calls, and any app sync like steps or messages. Make sure data flows both ways. If something fails, first toggle Bluetooth off and on, then reboot the watch and phone. That fixes most transient problems. If the watch repeatedly disconnects, unpair and forget the device in phone Bluetooth settings, then repair from scratch. As a last resort, reset network settings on the phone or factory reset the watch. This clears conflicting profiles and usually restores a clean, stable Bluetooth connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.